guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Patrick Joseph Tilasik and today I want to discuss about the multimedia and ICT. So let's proceed. Multimedia and ICT. What is ICT? ICT or Information and Communication Technology refers to technologies used for managing and sharing information, including computers, software, telecommunications, and the internet. It plays a key role in areas like business, education, and healthcare. Next is, what is the purpose of ICT? The purpose of ICT is to enhance communication, improve access to information, streamline processes, and foster innovation. It enables efficient data management, supports collaboration, and drives productivity across various sectors like education, business, and healthcare. The importance of the ICT. ICT is important because it enhances communication, drives innovation, improves efficiency, and supports economic growth. It connects people globally, boosts education, and helps businesses operate more effectively. Here is the example of ICT. Smartphones. As mentioned, these integrate computing, communication, and multimedia technologies to provide a wide range of service like internet, browsing, video calls, and entertainment. Second, laptops or computer. Laptops and desktop computers are key ICT tools that enable communication through email, video calls, and online collaboration. They are also used for tasks like word processing, data analysis, and software development. So next, I want to discuss what is multimedia. Multimedia is the combination of different content types like text, audio, image, and video to convey information or create an experience. It's used in things like presentation, websites, and games to engage multiple senses. What is the purpose of multimedia? The purpose of multimedia is to combine text, images, audio, and video to enhance communication, engagement, and understanding. It is used in education to simplify learning, in entertainment for immersive experiences, in marketing to attract customers, and in art for creative expression. So next is, what is the importance of multimedia? Multimedia enhances communication by combining text, images, audio, and video. It boosts engagement, improves learning, increases accessibility, and enriches entertainment. Lastly, here's the example of multimedia. Number 1, text. The main points or description of a topic. Second, images. Relevant pictures to illustrate the concept. Third, audio. Background music or voiceover explaining the points. Last, video. A short clip related to the subject like a tutorial or demonstration.